Morning, I am online maths teacher Mardu. Today we goes to chapter number 1, example number 1.12. Using horizontal line test, determine which of the following functions are a one function. They are given a three diagrams. Number 1, this is a curve. This is a horizontal line. The horizontal line means the parallel to x-axis. This is a parallel to x-axis. The parallel line intersects to only one point in the curve. So it is a one function. Same as goes to second one. The horizontal line is intersect in the curve two points P and Q. So it is not a one function. The third one, the horizontal line intersect the only one point B in the curve. So it is a one function. Listen, same as we see the horizontal line meet the curve only one point P. So it is a one function, and the horizontal line meet the curve 2 points P and Q. So it is a not a one function. Same as the horizontal line meet the curve only one point P. So it is one function. Next, we goes to example number 1.13, that A is equal to given a set and B is equal to given a set. F is equal to set of order pairs be a function from A to P, so that F is one but not onto functions. Solve now. A is equal to given, B is equal to given, F is equal to a function. F is a function. They are given a F is a function. We using by the arrow diagram A and B. A, what is A is 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the mapping 1 to 4, 1 to 4 and 2 to 5 and 3 to 6. So the different element in A has different image in B. Different element has different image in B. So it is a one function. But the element 7 in a codomain B does not have any pre-image in A. Does not any pre-image in A. Listen, the element 7 does not have pre-image in A. So it is not a onto function. The element 7 in codomain in B does not have any pre-image in A. So F is not onto function. Next, example number 1.14, F A is equal to given a function -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. It's a set, and F of A gives B is onto function defined by F of x equal to x squared plus x plus 1. Then find B. They solve A is equal to a set F of x equal to x squared plus x plus 1. They are given that solve, and we substitute all element on A f of x. F of -2 is equal to -2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1 is equal to -2 whole square is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and same as minus f of 1. F of -1 equal to -1 whole square plus f of -1 plus 1 is equal to 1. -1 square is equal to 1. -1 plus 1 is equal to 1, and f of 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and f of 1 is equal to substitute x equal to 1. So 1 square plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and f of 2 is equal to substitute x equal to 2. 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. If they are given a f is an onto function, so they are the f is an onto function, then codomain equal to range of f. Range of f. Already we find out the range of the f. 3, 1 and 7 is a range in the given function. So the codomain equal to range is a 3, 1, 7. That's all. Okay. Next, example number 1.15, that f be a function f n gives n be defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 1, x belongs to n. First question, find images of 1, 2, 3. And the second question, find the pre-image of 29, 53 and identify the type of functions. Let's solve now. The function f gives n. The n is a natural numbers. Already we know the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. Then f of x equal to given 3x plus 2. The x belongs to n. The all x's belongs to n. And now if x equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Same as x equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Same as x equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. The first question is find the images of 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the images of 1, 2, 3 are the image of 1 is equal to 5 and the image of 2 is equal to 8 and the image in 3 is equal to 11. That's all. The first question finished. The second one, if x is pre-image of 29, we consider the x is pre-image of 29. So, therefore, f of x equal to 29. F of x equal to, this is a image, there is a pre-image. This is a pre-images, this is the images. Therefore, f of x equal to 29 and 3x plus 2 is equal to 29. 3x 2 goes to opposite side minus 2. 3x equal to 29 minus 2. 3x equal to 27. X equal to 27 by 3. X equal to 9. Similarly, if x equal to pre-image of 53, f of x equal to 53. 3x, f of x already we know. 3x plus 2 is equal to 53. 3x equal to 53 minus 2. It goes to opposite is minus 2. 3x equal to 51. X equal to 51 by 3. Cancelled. We get x equal to 17. Next, the third question. The different elements of n have different image in the codomain n. So, the function f is a 1-1 function. The function f is a 1-1 function. But all element of codomain in n does not have pre-image in n. So, it not a onto function. Listen, the 1 does not has a pre-image in the n. Same as 2 does not has, 3 does not has, 4 does not has in pre-images in the n. So, it's not a onto function. Next goes to 1. Example number 1.16. The forensic scientist can determine the height in centimeter of a person based on the length of their thick bone. They usually do so using the function h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10, where b is the length of the thick bone. They asking the three questions. Number 1, check if the function h is 1, and the second one, also find the height of a person if the length of his thick bone is 5 centimeter, and the third one, find the length of the thick bone if The height of the person is 147.96 centimeter. Listen, they are given h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. Now we substitute every number in the uh, h of b in b, we get the different values. Therefore the different values of b has different values of h, so it is a one function. So listen, we substitute different values of b, we get the different value of h, so it is a one function. The second question, they are given thick bone length, and they having uh, height of the person. They given a b is equal to 550 centimeter, and the h of x is equal to 2.47 b, h of b is equal to, plus 54.10. H of 50 is equal to 2.47 into 50 plus 54.10 equal to, we multiple the 123.50 plus 54.10 equal to the sum of the 177.60 centimeter. The third question, given h is equal to 147.96, therefore we substitute the equation h of x equal to 2.47p plus 54.10. Already they are given a h, the substitute h 147.96 equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. It goes to opposite sides, minus 147.96 minus 54.10 equal to 2.47b. Is subtracted 2.47 b is equal to 93.86. B is equal to 93.86. It's go to opposite side, division 2.447. Divide, we get the 38 centimeter. Next, example number 1.17. Let f be a function from R to R. Define f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Find the value of a and b given that a comma 4 and 1 comma b belongs to f. It's a order pairs. F of x equal to, they solve f of x equal to 3x minus 5. The order pair a comma 4 means the image of a is a 4. The image of a is a 4. Therefore f of a is equal to 4. Already we know the f of x equal to 3x minus 5. We substitute x equal to a. Therefore 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. 3 is equal to, it goes to opposite side, plus 5 plus 4, 3 is equal to 9, a is equal to 9 by 3, a is equal to 3. That's all. And second one, 1 comma b. Next one, 1 comma b. In the order pair 1 comma b means the image of 1 is b. Therefore f of 1 equal to b. 3 into 1 minus 5 is equal to b. 3 minus 5 is equal to b. So 3 is equal to minus 2. Example number 1.18. The distance s in kilometer traveled by a particle in time t hours in given by s of t is equal to t square plus t by 2. Find the distance traveled by the particle after. After first question, 3.5 hours, and second question 8 hours and 15 minutes. Solve now. They are given s of t is equal to t square plus t by 2. Now from the first question, t is equal to 3.5. S of 3 minus 3.5 equal to 3.5 whole square plus 3.5 by 2. 3.5 whole square is equal to 12.25 plus 3.5 by 2 equal to 15.7 by divided by 2. We divide the to 15.7 by 2 equal to, we get the 3 s of 3.5 is equal to 7.875 kilometer. The second question, d is equal to 8.25. So s of 8.25 equal to 8.25 whole square plus 8.25 divided by 2 equal to 68.020625 plus 8.25 divided by 2. The sum of these numbers 76.3125 divided by 2. We get the divides, we get the 38.15625. That's all. Example 1.19. If the function f argues r is defined by f of x, f of 2x plus 7 x squared minus 2 3x minus 2. They are given some conditions: x less than minus 2, x less than greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than 3, and x greater than or equal to 3. Given 4 questions, f of 4 and find the f of 4 and f of minus 2, f of 4 plus 2, f of 1 and the fourth one. Already we know the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. Same as the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. etc. That's all. Now solve f of x equal to the given. First we can find out the what is the in between the number in the condition. The all less than minus 2, all numbers in the less than minus 2. What is less than minus 2? Minus 2, less than minus numbers are minus 3, minus 4, all numbers are less than. So minus 3, minus 4, we do to the minus 4, some etc. 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 The second condition, greater than minus 2 and include minus 2. So we write the minus 2, the equal to the equal symbol says include the minus 2. So minus 2 and next greater number minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, in between the 3. Do not take the 3. Why? It's not a less than 3. So we take the minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, all the in between the numbers. Same as in the third condition says greater than or equal to 3. So we take the equal to says so we take the 3 and 4, 5. These are greater numbers in 3. 4, 5, etc. 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 Now goes to very simple question. First question, f of 4 equal to, where is the 4? The 4 lies on this cap. So what is this? 3x minus 2. We take the 3x minus 2. 3 into substitute x is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Same as f of minus 2. Where is lies on the minus 2? Minus 2 lies on the x squared minus 2. So we take the x squared minus 2. Put the x is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 2 is equal to 2 2 are 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. For f of minus 2 is equal to 2. And the third question, f of 4 plus 2 f of 1. Already we find out the f of 4 is equal to 10. So next goes to f of 1. F of 1 is equal to x squared minus 1. Why? The f1 lies on this cap. So x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1. So 1 squared minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to f of 1 is equal to minus 1. Put f of 4 plus 2 f of 1 is equal to f of 4 already we find f of 10 plus 2 into f of 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. That's all. The last one, f of 1 minus 3 f of 4 by f of minus 3. Already we find out the f of 1 is equal to minus 1, f of 4 is equal to 10, and f of minus 3 is equal to, where is the minus 3? Lies on first. So 2x plus 2, 7. So 2x plus 7, 2 into minus 3 plus 7 is equal to minus 6 plus 7 is equal to f of minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1 minus 3 f of 4 by f of minus 3 equal to minus 1 minus of 3 into f of 4 is equal to 10 divided by 1 equal to minus 1 minus 30 equal to minus 31. That's all.